Hey everyone, today we are going to be showing you how to add a profile to your Netflix account. So many of you probably have sharing family accounts. And so what you're gonna wanna do is first go to the top and then say you wanna add a new friend or family member. We're gonna go to manage profiles. And then once we see manage profiles, it's gonna show you. And you have, I believe right now it's up to 4 accounts. So then we already have 3. So we're gonna go ahead and add a profile. Okay, so once you get to add a profile, all you have to do is just type in the name of the new profile, push continue, and now you will see that has been added to your profiles. So then once you go in, then you can also adjust, add language or gaming handle, maturity level. If it's for kids, you could change that. So that's maybe like a TV7 or a PG-13. And yeah, whatever you change, go ahead and save that. And now you have a new profile account. Hello, beautiful people. Today we're back to show you how to delete a profile on Netflix. Now say one of your family members has left or a friend is no longer sharing a Netflix account with you. What you want to do is go to the account that you want to erase. Once we get in, we're going to go to the very top over here. Go scroll down to manage profiles. Then you're going to see the pencil marks and you're going to go to the account that you want to erase and scroll down to the bottom. If you notice, it's going to say save, cancel, delete profile. So if we're ready to delete, we're going to go ahead and push delete profile, and then it says keep or delete, and I'm going to go ahead and delete it. And then now you see that profile is no longer here. Easy, simple, quick solution of how to delete a profile. If this video has helped, please give it a thumbs up and appreciate it. Thanks guys. Bye-bye.